ukuthi nyalo uyovula lo oil loyo mvula ephuza umoya mhla ka-23. Cela ukukukhumbuta Mswati, insimi yakithi kaSimelane lapha la utabuhlethi khona batakuchazela lana benibekhona lithende insimi yababe Mswati. Ngilaba uhlethi khona unanalisulumane lakucala lana sala khona ntinathela jwala ngicetha kuhlabela wasitshela wathi bekungamadlelo lawa utawusifunela liplaza lakutawudla inkomo tethu khona. Wathi lapha bekuyinsimi yabantu abahamba ufuna uhulumende abafunele tindzaba tekulima. That's what you said mawukhuluma. Khumbula washo njalo. Mawunalanga lesulumane kwakuhlabela mina lapho Mswati. That's what you said. Wathi uyithatha utawufaka oil uyathi insimi yabantu neke personal yakithi. Wedlula wathi nalamadlelo ndasifunela umhlaba nakuthatha. Sono sebantu bakamkhweli nyalo Mswati kucela lamasimu abo kuwe. Lonkokhelo. Ngiyabonga Nkosi ngivile bathi utamile kubona labanikati bemasimu kubabuta ukuthi vele kwendekani. Ngiyabonga. Angadi ukuthi uhlose kwendana emva kwalokho. Kodwa naku lengicela ukukutshela. Lo mlandzelako lo nguminister waka Natural Resources Bhembe ngilunga leParliament ngamchazela weva. Wathi Simelane no kufuneka kube neliminute leliphuma lekini emphakathi. Hulumende kufuna ubathengela liplaza labantu. I-wrong land. That was Bhembe minister. May his soul rest in peace. Ngivile ke ukuthi uthite ucela kubabona wena lonkokhelo minister labantu njengoba Mswati alungela kudala. Msheng lo chief lokhona. Wathi akuna bantu batawubona wena babike tinkinga temasimu abo. Lela timbungane emlonyeni. Lebe balaceleni banemhlaba sewangene emobeni. Labanikati la Mswati awosika khona abanikwa lutho. Msheng lenhlitiyo le uyafika lapha kamkhulu khanze abantu banemasimu. Ayingale kumele banike yona labantu. I think bale kubo 60-70 abantu bemasimu. Mhlaba lena uthethe akusiwakho Msheng. Ngithi lesasikhona siyakwati lokwendeka. Wena uthi labantu bangasamboni lonkokhelo story so uyasati. Hamba ulandze, I'm not sure ukuthi ngubani lo jaha ngikhohliwe ngidumisana ligama lakhe. Lonkokhelo hamba ulandze Dumisane nangilo sebenta ka Natural Resources. Kwakungimi na Bhembe naye Dumisane nelibandla. Ubatshele bakudlalele le recording yemlando walapha ukuthi kwendekani. Bafika after the 3rd year basivala bathi singalimi. Bafika after the 3rd year utakuchazela Dumisane because he knows wangilalela ana Bhembe. Bhembe took a decision. What the cabinet must get a minute. Le minute li release imali ukuthi labantu abafune lo mhlaba. It is wrong. Wala Msheng. Njengoba nyalo Msheng ale ukuthi ubone labalimi batokutshela liqiniso. Batabe bahleka bashatandla abantu bayawufuna lo oil. Kodwa oil ube semasimini nabo banganikwa lutho. Nawe Mswati ngiyakutshela ubothi uhleka lapha wathi lamagama lawa wakhuluma wathi uyathi ngemasimu uyathi ngemaplaza akasebenzi uhulumende wakho nawe ngekungqola abanikwa lutho labantu. That's the government that we serve. Sangikwende kube clear mhla 23 nje batabe bashatandla nibokwathi ukuthi tinyembeti tetalukati. Tinyembeti tebantu lebe kuyindzawo yabo yokuphila. Uthethe uhulumende abafuni ke nokunika iaudience nabalimi labanikati. This government kungako sithi siyaludzinga lunjinjo. Sengicela ke kuya ngasemaphethweni alethi inkulumo lengidilethile. Akawuthi lamaphetho amo because before ngihambe ngaya eSouth Africa ngabona Comrade IB. Itaba imfisha inkulumo yaComrade IB ngoba sikhathi esihambile. Sikhulume tindzaba letinengi angamkhulumeli. Ngicela ukuthi ungifakele le clip yaComrade IB. Sesilungela ke kufika emaphethelweni. Kukhwele ngifuna ukucela lokukhulu after le nkulumo yaComrade IB. Beketelani Maswati ngiyathi isikhathi esihambile ngoba kufuna mangicetha kubeka tingcinamba bese ngibeka indlala yaphambili. Over to you Ras. Uthi ke inkulumo yaComrade IB ngoba bengina Comrade IB emtini waComrade IB ekhaya, sabuka lo mzabalazo, sakhulumisana. Kwaba khona lesikhulumako lokungaphuma emoyeni. Kwaba khona uthi Raseredi, over to you Ras.
Kwami kuncane Comrade IB uma ngibona senior ngagcina kamhlushu, quite a very critical time for our struggle. A lot of people bahlehla. You've been here before, Sisulu, you are still here. Nami even abamhlophe ngithi let me just appreciate. Thank you so much for the hard work for our people. Thank you so much for growing us, for inspiring us, for being at the forefront at whatever time. Not much long in to see. I believe that 2025 we will push together, work together. We'll do our best to close our ears so to all the naysayers and keep pushing. Otherwise, I'm grateful. For me, it's an honor to see you, Comrade IB. I'm really much honored. Nakufika ke in the Revolutionary House. La kufihlwa khona ama-comrades nama-ke la kuhlaliswa khona ama-comrades nakede emisebenzini lehlukene. Ngicela ngikubonga, ngabonga ngigcine kahle the way lo wasekhala ngayo endzabeni yaphela. Ibuhlungu nje kabi. Isiphethe kabi namanje kakhulu. But really from the tip of my heart, thank you for everything you did. Not for Barangometu, Baramapakula, but for Emaswato, Mandla Comrade.
Comrade President, I mean, ngiyabonga nje on behalf of libandla le-UED Mnguni. Lo ukuthi uma uvelile ngala into wena umsebenzi wenkululeko yesizwe sakithi. Umsebenzi lesiwuniketwe nguSimakade. Connect ukuthi from the tight schedule that you have, ukuthi asemhlohlola ngapha. Since the last week, I was so happy we hosted the Blue Nation here, and to us that is very, very important because the strategy and the revolution in a master is important, but it needs all of us to do just our small piece. Endzabeni yabheka siyayisebenza kakhulu Comrade President, siyayisebenza. It's not easy, and as you know there are a lot of democracies in South Africa, but we are basically doing our best, including Comrade Command. The office le-NPA iphila nahlahla nawukuya lapho Gomla nababo Gomla lapho labo Gomla bayana i-National Prosecuting Authority headquarters, it's there. So the Comrade Gift nalabeni ngumnikete ama-documents, he will just walk, not even drive asasebhayisikila lapha, we are pushing nale even nale ngekhathi represent. Yes, there are a lot of challenges just now, but we must assure Emaswati that as we stand together in here, we truly believe as Christians ukuthi uNkulunkulu uSimakade lothi kulesikhathi samanje asime nobe kukhuni, but let us be the beacon of hope for our people, because we have not chosen ourselves, but we believe that the Almighty chose us. So I think as we are going to deliberate Mngoni sibukisana nje nami ngidawukhona ukuthi ngibuyele ku-UED ngiyitshele ukuthi awuthanda ngibonile uMnguni and Maswati akithi. Everybody is allowed, as long as umuntu aphusha umzabalazo. Every political leader ofuna ukuthi siqhubekele phambili. Sihlangane le-UED, we will do what we are doing with uMngoni namhlanje. uMngoni usuke ngeshiya kwetilwandle, is coming in here. Nina Emaswati akithi ni across 200 kilometers away from here. When you happen to be in Gauteng, please let us engage. Mngoni, siyabonga kakhulu because ikusise mhlawumbe ubuyele emuva. Siyabonga kakhulu Mngoni wasebuhleni. Siyabonga kakhulu amandla.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Maswati, ngiyabonga Comrade IB. Sengingaqinisekisa kunenge lokhu kukhulunywe ngimi na Comrade IB. Some things singakhuluma ecingweni, letinye into singeke sikhulume ecingweni, sithi ngawusihlale phansi heart to heart, soul to soul, sisherishe. Ngicela ukuthembisa Maswati ukuthi batawuphuma bobacede bomthandeni, kodwa batawuphuma sibambene. Uma ngivalethe inhlelo lesingeke sitimemedele, ngiyabona lokuthi there are no two ends on this thing. Lengikucelako, it's very important ukuthi sibambane. Angathi noma le nkulumo lemfishane ya Floyd unayo. Ngiyaxolisa kunizina nekunibhora. Nganako lengidakufaka but ngeke kunibhore. It lays the ground kulele ngifuna ukukhuluma ngako.
The National Chair has dealt with the question about how do you characterize the economic freedom fighters. I think that there was a mistaken characterization by the EFF. They once said MK is enemy number one. To realize it was a mistake characterization. It's not possible for, just by the nature of your constituencies and the people and the interests and the politics that you represent, no matter how subjectivity overwhelms you, there are certain characterizations that cannot be true. No matter how you think of certain individuals in terms of their politics and posture, you have to be able to distinguish as a revolutionary between opponents, between potential strategic allies and enemy forces. Like, despite the fact, like we know as Mkhonto says that the ANC is largely in the hands of enemy forces now in terms of its ideological disposition. That is why they've got no problem associating with the enemy forces and forming a government with them, and giving them strategic departments of basic education, of land. But we despite the fact that we know that they are in bed with enemy forces, we didn't characterize the African National Congress as an enemy force. We said it's a contested opponent. And I would think that this is the characterization that should occur in all political parties and must happen at a much more matured political and ideological way, which is not guided by subjectivity and overwhelmed by personal.
Into lebengiyilandzela kuFloyd inye. Kubonakala iMK ne-EFF ngathi tihakene. Uthi Floyd i-EFF ithi the MK party is enemy number one. I'm not sure but ngithatha inkulumo la ishito. Uthi ke ku-view yakhe kuliphutha. Uthi uma unaka lokuthi bobani laba formisha le organization yakho, the members, le politiki loyikhulumako uthi ufuna those two things. Noma ngabe ka ungithanzi noma ngabe ngiyakunyanyisa kodwa ngenxa yalaba lobamele blacks, le politiki lokhuluma ngayo total emancipation, ngeke ngize ngibe enemy number one characterization. Uthi kufana nabo bayi MK noma bayati i-ANC. I'm not saying on those things is correct but ngilandzela indlela ayifundisako. Noma bayati i-ANC ukuthi ngekuview yakhe is in bed with what he terms i-enemy. Kulukhuni ukuthi bese bathi inyoni ishaywa neligala layo bathi ANC enemy. Usho njalo. Uthi there must be proper characterization. Noma le ndlu ibhlungu, there must be proper characterization. Uthi ANC remains a strategic ally. Uthi ANC remain a contested opponent, not an enemy. Maswata kithi ku MDM, NNLC, SPLM, Skia, Pudemo, Swadepa, EFF, Swalimo. Kutawuze kuba kunini singafunzi nasi isifundo lasifakako lo brother labathi Floyd. When are we going to start to characterize potential allies and enemies? Why nje kusuka namuhla after the family meeting labatabe bagcwele iFacebook sasa bathi Makawukawu wrong la naba labangama potential allies sebahlala bagadze ukuthi lo munye lokanye nabo uthi then singamsola njani. Kutabe kungasiyo le enemy lebeyisho lokho. Kutaba ngilo munye le, if you characterize the people we stand for, if we characterize according to the politics we're advancing for, I don't qualify to be one of their enemies. I would rather be a contested space. I'm not even that because asikaqali contest power. Sisa contest space sepolitiki. Kwendiwa yini maswata kithi? Ngiyeva ukuthi niyabafunza labo Lenin. Labo Marxist niyabafunza. Nifundziswa ngibo lokuthi nibe ne poor characterization. Nifundziswa ngibo. Why? Nginicela ke kule family meeting. Ngibe ngaqala. Ngicala ngekuthi mangabe iswalimo ikunyathele SPLM. Ngicela ukuthi uyicolele. Mangabe kunyathele maybe ngi-NNLC noma ngiswadepa noma ngiphudema. Ngicela nisicolela. I'm not grandstanding. Some of the organizations ibhalile encwadi sacela at executive level sicela ukukhulumisana but singeke sikhulumisane nani ngema enemies. They couldn't even agree ukuthi sihlale etafuleni ngesibutho ukuthi sishiyana kuphi. Written documents organizations balile. Sifuna nje kwathi ukuthi hey man, thina ngekubuka kwethu. We are not your enemies. Sishiyana phi? Uma sishiyana ngalokuthi ngiyona mangithi I believe we can stand in parliament. Angeke vele sibe semshadweni la ngithengisa umphefumulo wami khona. Mawufuna ukuthatha umfati uthi wena ungaphefumuli, ngeke kusese umshado lo. Umshado ngi-understand ukuthi njani. Ungibuke ukuthi ngunyathela ngoba bese sihamba kanye kanye. Hayi ukuthi angisacrifice kuba ngimi. If you are dreaming of that, it will never happen. Angisakhulumi ke nale leadership. Ngoba labo le leadership siyibhalele esikhathini lesinenge. Ngikhuluma ke nalamalunga ndothi kiwo ningemaswati ningakabi ngemalunga etinhlangano. Tiboneni tinhlangano mase tinidlisa luhlata. Akukafanele ukuthi onke malanga awukhuluma ngaAlpheus lobuya ko rapper. Wow, bekakhona amagawugawu family meeting naku lebe ku wrong, naku lebe ku wrong. Ukambe manga, that is not wrong, is correct. Man uphethwe ye-hatred awusawuyisi nakumswati. Ngicela maswati. Inzala kunathi lembi lesilwako. Masithi this is a generational mission. Masithi lembi lebo babe bethu bangabo 1973 bafa bayilwa. Bafika bo Jan Sithole baze bafa bayilwa. Aw hey man, lembi has been fought by generations. Ungathi mawuyibamba yona uyibambe ngema emotions. Ungathi mawuyibamba uve ngathi icala ngawe. Ngibale ama political organizations la diffusewa nga 1973 eva buhlungu. Basemathuneni bayakhala. Lithemba labo likuwe wena usaphila ukuthi utaletha lo njinjo. Understand, this is a serious and tough battle. You need to apply your sober mind kulembi le. Please. Cabanga labantu labafa, hayi laba labafe nga 2021. Laba labathi nasi isitukulwane lesigcotshelwe lo msebenzi. Wala kithi lo msebenzi kodwa sesihambe safika isitukulwane leNkulunkulu asigcobele lo msebenzi. Uma ngabe le emathuneni kuyabonwa, bayakubona lokho. Uma ngabe le emathuneni tiyashaya watandla, bashaya tandla bathi this is the generation we have always been waiting for. ISouth Africa yasithwa igeneration yabo Nelson Mandela. Kwakunema rift lamakhulu kubo PAC, Pan African Congress, nabo ANC, but ngebudzala babo bathi it's a generational cause. Masihluleka kuhlala phansi sibukisane sibambane tesihlula. Bawashaya emabhunu ngekuphila above their political camps. Batsala labanye bathi baneminyaka le-54 lemingaki balapha letinyawo lenchubo ithi banuka libisi. Angabithi organizations banabo 60 labanye banabo banibani mawunaka lenchubo. How do you categorize me as your enemy? This student of politics has said it clear. Proper characterization has to be there. In terms of wisdom, asingeke sesifanana. Ngwendeka kuhle to go uyokwenda i-political science. Very beautiful. We encourage that. Ubokwathi kodwa ukuthi bakhona abantu abanjengabo magawugawu labangeke bayende le political science lo yendile but bakutshela ukuthi this is wrong. This is right. You cannot do this. This is going to be counterproductive. I know I'm not what I am only because of what I read. I have brains. I have a spirit. I have wisdom. I look at things. I analyze. I don't only depend on books. I like books. They're very influential. They assist. I'm a teacher. But I know kukhona umuntu indvo lowatalwa bona bole nini. Batalwa nako lokunye kwabo. Allow us to assist you. I'm glad because people like Floyd, I didn't listen from them, but I'm hearing them qualifying what we see. I believe I have to think. Better the scholars of the different fields, but how come you know this? Ngikhuluma ne-mass democratic movement. Ningeke nisichomele ngema-theories leningakhona wa-implement. I was glad when the CIC Juju said, according to the students or according to the leaders you are following, hambani niyo contesta every space. I don't mind. You don't see value in contesting the space. How then do you then categorize me as an enemy because tactic yama fan yako, but you are clear because kufuna kokunye? How do you do that? Mina was very much blessed. Kula malanga laphelile ngibona ukuthi iPPA beyihlele kuyodeliver ipetition eParliament. Ngabanjwa ukuthi iPPA akashayele ucingo. Ngeva ke lokuthi bagcine bangasayi. Kodwa le thought ukuthi bakuconsider ukuthi iParliament is an entity to do something kiyo. I was very blessed. I said, it's like we will find each other. Let's just be patient and keep moving. Ngibongile. Ukuthi awu ngiyabonga. I'm nursing that. Bengeke nje ngithi iyakuphi washa. I'm appreciating. Behlulwa yini labanye uma iswalimo icabange into kuyibonga bangayibeke emabala. Why uzabalazele lenye inhlangano ungazabalazi nangiya umuntu? We have an elephant in the house. Awufuni ukuzabalaza le ndlovu lela. Ufuna ukuzabalaza laba labazabalazisa wena kule ndlovu. Sicela kunye maswata kithi. Can we please apply our minds? La matem lamakhulu nemagama lamakhulu la nisanganisa koningawasebenzisi. Ngoba sebabonakele abantu bakhuluma amagama lamakhulu kodwa banifake emenene. Angisoli organization or inhlangano but ngiyacela. Ngithi makukhona sone khona siyaxolisa. We are ready to work with you. But our readiness does not mean selling our souls. We'll never do that. If you are nursing and hoping for that day, it will never come. Ufisa ngelanga longeke uzulithole ukuthi okuthiwa iswalimo seyithitene. No, we will be who we are. And we want you to be who you are. And we work together because we demand respect. We don't negotiate respect. We demand respect. So ngitsini mangelapho maswati inkulu lempile. Bawa phansi bawile nababozwane bayilwa. Lizulu lethembe thine. Let's stand together and work together. Let's look beyond our minor differences. Mswati weba umnotho wemaswati. Mswati uyaganga bothishela baphume nga 2020 bahlethi nanamhla bakaqashwa tikolo watshoda ngabantwana. That's a reality lesibhekene nayo. It needs us to stand together and move forward. Angikhulumi ngale mali namhla ngibonga the nation laba bebheka umakhubu. Mswati utikhulisele umholo wakhe nga 55 million. Astak itinombolo ngibengile makhubu ukuthi uyibhale ination. 55 million salary raise for yena personal. Mswati bogogo wafaka 100 rand amunye. Ngumbi imali uyayibona amayimelite le yakhe ingena mhla ka1 May njoba ngenile mhla ka1 April. Bogogo itayitaba kubuthwa lamthelweni kancane kancane. Hey, i-serious lento lesibhekene nayo. I-serious. Ngibonela omnye tishela so be temporary teacher for 10 years ubhayele sinathi. Ngibuka iwall ya platform yabo tishela. Uyakhala lo tishela uthi sengiserve 10 years as what? As a temporary. Labaganwe khona labaganwe khona nalabagane khona batholakala ukuthi bayafakwa babe permanent. Labagane labo minister baba permanent. We need a country where we should have systems. Hayi la utakhanda ube ngumngani wabani ukuthi nibe ukuhambele kahle.